Well, today we're gonna take this bad boy for a spin. This is the ParkZone Stinson. I haven't flown this for a while. Let's see how it goes. Well, this is my second Stinson. I have this plane for a number of years now, and as you can see, it has been in few battles. At first, I couldn't fly this plane; it was just terrible. Until I met a guy in a hobby store, and he told me what to do, because it used to tip stall every time that I flew it at this speed. It will be on the floor already. I have 3 degrees in both ailerons up, and that cuts the trick. And look at it flies. It flies super docile, the plane. And this is something that you can do, guys, if you have a plane that is not nice to fly. Yeah, we're gonna try landing now. It's tricky. Good landing. Okay. I flew this plane in the morning and it was a lot less windy, but I forgot to take the cap out of the GoPro, so I didn't get any video, and I had to come back after lunch. I just wanted to make a video for you guys. This is such a nice plane to fly, and it's very pretty too. Windy. Look how docile the plane is. It's just phenomenally docile. It looks like a trainer. Wow. I flew the plane around 6 minutes, and I put 600 milliamps in a 2200 milliamp battery 3 cell. Very efficient plane and super silent. I'm gonna have to bring it for landing now. I cannot hear the sound of the motor. Choppy. That's it.